This is my sister's car, and this has been in the family for a number of years. In fact, all of my younger brothers and sisters had this car in high school. And my youngest sister actually just wrecked it. Then we fixed it, and then she wrecked it again like 3 weeks later. So they sent it up to me to fix it, and I just don't want to fix it. Angela, I apologize in advance. This is not going to be happy for you, but it's going to be happy for a lot more people. This truck is changing the original configuration that the military had, which was a single cab, 3-person cab truck, and we made it a new family-friendly. We stretched the cab now so that it fits 3 rows of seating, and it can fit 10 people now. So we get our military trucks and stuff from military bases. We bring them in, we modify them to whatever the customer wants. Sometimes it depends on the size of their family. Other people need specific things put on the truck to cater to whatever their organization is.
Can you run over a car with this?
There should be no reason why it shouldn't, but should you? Probably not if you're having road rage issues. This would definitely do some damage. So I'm going to try to drive on the driver's side here. I want a successful drive over. I don't want anything hanging up on it, so I don't think it'll tip over. The truck should just squash this thing. This was originally a cargo truck that was a 14-foot bed, single cab. We cut the bed short, stretched the cab, we put some safari rack on it, and some different modifications to just make him real happy with the truck, and it fits everything he needs for his family and his business and his preparedness needs. There we go. That was pretty good. Too bad, right? I'm gonna send that to my sister. I think she'll be thrilled.
Oh, really nice.
Yeah. I'm gonna do one more run just for B footage. So this is an M923 chassis. It's got, under the hood is a Cummins 8.3 turbo motor with an Allison 5-speed transmission, automatic. This is considered a 5-ton truck. That's an off-road rating, and you can double that when it's on hard surfaces. So when you're going off, crazy terrain, technical terrain, it's rated for 5-ton. Anything, highways and stuff is going to be a 10-ton. Towing is rated for 15,000 pounds when the truck is fully loaded. It can pull a 15,000-pound trailer. I don't know what it is empty, but that's what the documents for the military rate it for. 15,000 on that pintle. We're good. We've tortured the poor thing enough. When it was in stock configuration, it was about $18,000 to $20,000. As it sits now with all the modifications, It's about 68, 72,000. We're putting AC in it for the customer here next week, so the price will go up depending on what people's configuration needs are.
Wow, so you can get a base truck for around, what, 20 grand?
Yeah, 18 to 20,000.
Okay, well that's really affordable. I mean, you can buy a basic sedan for that.
Well, and we kind of focus on trying to get really, really clean trucks. You can actually get trucks, there's public auctions and things that people can get trucks for much, much less. They're usually in rougher shape, but for people who are, you know, mechanical and do-it-yourselves, these are a great, great bargain.
Okay, water's coming in. Water's coming in. Water's coming in. I'm stuck.